And reason number 5 is a surprising one. Data science makes you sporty. Now you imagine training a neural network and getting apps from this. But it might not be that easy. In previous videos I told a lot about flexibility, and this flexibility can be used to follow your passion. And if sport is your passion, you can do it from this. To show you how sporty data science can make you, I make 100 push-ups to convince you to learn data science. And as you are here on my data science channel, I won't count the push-ups myself. We will create a tool that counts push-ups for us. And before we start with creating a model, we need some footage of push-ups. And as we are on data science channel, we do not record real footage yet, just for the convincing at the end. We use Google Flow to create a video of myself doing 2 push-ups and train the model on this. I prepared everything in before. You can go to Google Flow, we see something over here, and we open a cool project. In the project, I used an image I found online from a Medium post, which is about push-up challenges, and I used myself. Then I used Google Nano Banana Pro, created an image of me. I want to be that muscular myself, but it's pretty good. I used this reference image and made a video of me doing push-ups. And I think, wow, it's pretty good. Even some sound effects, even a good beard. And we take this firstly to create our model. So to start with this, we make some traditional old web search. Because in the last video I showed you something about how traditional web searches perform against LLMs and how we can use our cognitive brain. During the web search we searched for a push-up counter app in Python with possibly a machine learning model, and I went through different GitHub repositories and Medium posts in the end. And after my first web search I was absolutely convinced that we are able to build this app. So I was opening Visual Studio Code, installed all necessary packages, and then I was programming until my fingers bleed. And when I was finishing my work, I had the first bad realization. Nothing had worked. So I did some more web search, I did some more programming, until I reached a good point. And now it's time to show you the result. First I have this code, which I will link you in the description on my GitHub, so you can do this on your own. And if I start this code, it opens the video, and yes, it counts 1 push-up, 2 push-ups, and always counts to decrease. Now we only have one little issue. This code works only for a predefined video. When I want to do the 100 push-up challenge for you, then I want to create it live on a webcam. So I have to do some little adjustments. And with these little adjustments, everything just worked fine. I can't show you the final result because I only have one webcam, but I can show you the screenshot. And now stay excited for the next video, because then I will do the 100 push-ups for you. And in the meantime, until I finish this video, you can follow my channel and have a look at other reasons why you should become a data scientist and profit from this flexibility.